Hey, this is Carl with NewSeptic.net. I'm going to show you today how to use the Parcel draw tool on NewSeptic's mapping application. I received an address from a customer, and I'm going to go ahead and type that address in here. I had it copied, and I'm going to paste it. And I'm going to go ahead and click the search button. Now this address, it looks like the contractor had typed in lot 13, and basically what we're doing with this is passing it right to Google and trying to get a latitude and longitude for this. Now, a lot of times if you have something like lot in it, Google will just ignore that and treat this as an address. So it's looking for 13 Aspen Drive. Now, that may not be the case because this lot 13 maybe doesn't have an address yet. So what we couldn't find any parcel information there. So what we're going to do is just, if you have a parcel ID, at this point you can type it in, or if you have an owner's name. But basically what NewSeptic has done is we've queried for the township and found the county. So you can just go on to the next step by hitting enter soil conditions. And at this point you can get options for treatment or enter the full soil report. And because this is just a demo for the Parcel draw tool, I'm going to go ahead and get options for treatment. And what NewSeptic is doing now is analyzing all the basic core details here that we've provided to it. And it's going to generate an options list for sewage treatment. And what we're really looking to do is just look at the map now. So I'm going to click on the NewSeptic mapping application here. And like it had said before, NewSeptic could not find any parcel information. Now the good thing here is that we do have parcel data for this county, Warren County. So what NewSeptic has done is drawn, NewSeptic draws, I'm going to zoom out and show you this here. NewSeptic always draws if it has the parcel data for this county, it'll draw the background parcel data. And this is just basically a snapshot of parcels within the vicinity, and it's going to draw a contour and the background parcel data. So here we have our test hole, and basically this is not anything but that geocoded latitude, longitude that we got back from Google. So Google thought that we were looking for 13, whatever street this is, Aspen Ridge Drive, but we were really looking for lot 13. So what you have a couple options here. If you can find the parcel that you're looking for, you can click on the test hole, and if you drag it over to the parcel that you want, this little window is going to pop up, and if you click Update GPS and Parcel, NewSeptic will go and query for that parcel ID and actually go and get that. So it says we found a matching parcel ID from the database is, and it gives you the parcel ID. And since we don't have any parcel data up on the screen, you can just click Add Parcel. And now NewSeptic will set this as your parcel for your project, and it draws the 10-foot and 50-foot buffers. So that is how you can migrate to a parcel if you do have parcel data for the county. And what you could do is save this off at this point. And if you always come back to the project, like if you reload the page, it will bring you back right to where you started. So that is one way to do it. Say you wanted to actually say that this parcel is being split off from the original, and what you have here is just a different parcel altogether. What you can do is you can turn off the buffers and the parcel, and you can use the Parcel draw tool, which is here on the left-hand border, and you can click on that once, and now this will bring up a red little dot, and you're going to place the center of that dot on where you want a point. Now, as you're drawing, you can see there's a measurement in feet. So if you had a surveyor's topo plan or something else that would give you the dimensions of the property, you could easily just sketch this out by clicking. Now, if you wanted to remove a point, basically what you would do is just hit delete, and that would remove your last point if you hit the delete button. So that's a handy feature of the parcel draw tool as well. So say this parcel was really just right here, and you double click, and now you have a completed parcel. And if you wanted to edit any of these vertices, you can go ahead and click on it once, and then you can be able to move the vertexes. By, if you see the hand icon, then you know you're grabbing a vertex, sorry. And if you wanted to add a vertex, you can just go ahead and move anywhere on the line and create that, and it'll just continually put additional vertexes. So if you click outside of here and you're satisfied with this and you want to make this a parcel for your project, you would right click and you can either delete or commit the parcel. So if you click commit parcel, NewSeptic will add that as your base parcel for this property. Now say you wanted to remove the surrounding parcels or any other GIS data here, you can go ahead and do that with the data management layer management tool over here. You just click on that button and you can remove the surrounding boundaries. Say that was causing confusion or something with the county, or you just wanted to simplify it and just have your parcel here. So if you save this off and if you reload this project, it'll take you right back here, and here's your parcel. And if you want to remove those surrounding counties again, unfortunately you have to click for now on this. So that is how to draw a parcel that may not exist in NewSeptic database. You do have to have some dimensions of the parcel. You can turn on the aerial photo, if you need some assistance based on boundaries there. So if you have any questions, give me a call. Thanks.